Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove your email address from Snapchat. Alright, but you cannot actually remove your email address, you kind of have to change it. What I mean to say is, let's say you have an email on your Snapchat and you don't want that email to be linked with your Snapchat. You cannot remove it, you have to change it, which means you need to add a new email and then only the older one will be removed. Alright, so I'll show you the process on how you guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, after opening Snapchat, click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you can see the setting icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Now once over here, click on email. Once you click on email, your current email is going to be over here. And what you want to do is just remove your current email and enter a new one. Now once you enter your new email over here, just click on continue, and basically it's going to ask you for the password of your Snapchat account, of course for security reasons. So enter the password of your account. After you enter the password, wait for some time, and basically your email is changed. And to verify your email, you can click on resend verification email, and a verification mail will be sent to a new mail. Once you verify your mail, it's going to be set over here. But yeah, that's how you guys can remove your email from Snapchat. In a way, I removed my older email, but I had to add another mail over here. But yeah, these are the steps you need to follow to remove your email on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial everybody. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.